Erica, we just had an incredible day on the water.
Yes, we did. We took our communities on a boat tour in Lewes. We saw birds, seals, the sunset.
Seals?
We saw seals in Lewes, Delaware. That's right. And in January. And we went with Delmarva Birding, which was awesome.
Great experience with these guys. I mean, I saw a bunch of eagles, not just on my hat, but I saw eagles everywhere.
Saw falcon,
all sorts of,
wildlife.
Yeah, it was super, super cool. What a fun experience. Yeah, it's January, but we can drive home, and what a cool experience to see all of this wildlife.
Definitely. It's steps to us, and we had a great time on the water in January.
Yeah, thanks so much everyone for joining us. We look forward to doing it again.